हरिः ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशस्य प्रथमभागस्य पञ्चदशीकक्षार्थं सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। Okay, the next chapter, there are few new words we actually come across. We will understand those words and we'll try to see some sample sentences. Then we will move on to the chapter. Okay, so in that says the first word is Purataha. And the other one is Prishtataha. The Purataha means in front or in the front. That's what it means. Prishtataha means the backwards. So that's a simple meaning. But how to use in the sentence? We generally, for these words, we use along with the Shashti Vibhakti. Example, Griham Asti and Vrikshaha Asti. So grihasya purataha vrikshaha asti. So in the front of house, the tree is there. Okay, so grihasya purataha means the in front of the house. So again of the house, there's again the sashti meaning comes. So we use sashti vibhakti there. Okay, in front of the house, so it will be grihasya purataha. Okay, and back side of the house, that means grihasya prishtataha. So that means backside of the house. So grihasya prishtataha vatika asti. So there's a garden behind house. So the in front or behind or backside. That's what these two words mean. So you can actually take anything like devalayasya purataha margaha asti. Devalayasya purataha dhenuhu asti. Or devalayasya purataha mahilaha santi. Or devalayasya prishtataha you can say vrikshaha santi. Devalayasya prishtataha nadi asti. Devalayasya prishtataha parvataha asti. So you can take any such things. Basically, wherever you want to say front and back side, you can use purataha and prishtataha. Okay, the next few more words are part of this sentence. They are Dakshinataha and Vamataha. So Dakshinataha is right side and Vamataha is for left side. Okay, example Grihasya Dakshinataha Devalayaha Asti. So in the right side of the house there is a temple, or Devalayasya Vamataha Griham Asti. So in the left side of the temple there is house. Okay, Grihasya Dakshinataha Devalayaha Asti. Devalayasya Vamataha Griham Asti. Okay, hope you are able to understand. Udaharanam again, Vidyalayasya Vamataha Mandiram Asti. Vidyalayasya Dakshinataha Granthalayaha Asti. Okay, and Vrikshasya, maybe you can take Vrikshasya Dakshinataha Dhenuhu Asti. Vrikshasya Vamataha Ajaha Asti. Okay, you can take the like a right side of the tree there is a dhenu, or left side of the tree there is a goat. Okay, so like that you can use Dakshinataha Vamataha to indicate right and left, but for this again we need to use Sashti Vibhakti. So we'll use Sashti Vibhakti on the object or person on to which we are trying to say left or right. Okay, again few other words, Upari and Adha. So Upari means upside or upwards, and Adha means the down. Okay, so Vrikshasya Upari Kakaha Asti. Vrikshasya Adha maybe Shilakandaha Santi. So in the top of the tree, crow is there, and in the bottom of the tree there are stones. Okay, or maybe you can also say Vrikshasya Adaha Dhenuhu Asti. Okay, and again you can also say Ramayana Pustakasya Upari Mahabharata Pustakam Asti. Ramayana Pustakasya Adaha Bhagavad Gita Pustakam Asti. So if it is stacked into a cupboard, you can say above the Ramayana book there is a Mahabharata book, and below the Ramayana book there is a Bhagavad Gita book. So Upari and Adaha. So upari means up and adaha means the down. Okay, hope it is fine. And let's also see other word. The other word is antaha. Antaha means inside. So griham asti, grihasya antaha. So grihasya antaha pustakam asti, or grihasya antaha pita asti, grihasya antaha mata asti, grihasya antaha agrajaha asti. So antaha means inside. So petikayaha antaha pustakam asti, petikayaha antaha lekhani asti. So inside the box there is a book and there is a pen. Okay, vidyalayasya antaha you can say utpitikaah santi. Okay, just antaha is inside, but still we have other ways to express that. But we'll at this point antaha means inside. For that we will be using Shashti Vibhakti. Okay, so this when I say Shashti Vibhakti, I gave all the examples in the Ekavachanam, but it doesn't mean that you can use any Vachanam there. Okay, Balakayoho Vamataha Sikshakaha Asti. On the left side of two boys there is a teacher. Okay, and Balakayoho Dakshinataha, maybe we can take Mitram Asti. On the right side of those two boys there is a friend. Or Balakayoho Dakshinataha Pita Asti, Balakayoho Dakshinataha Mata Asti. Or Balakanam Purataha Sikshakaha Asti, or Chhatranam Purataha Sikshakaha Asti. So you can use any Vachanam for those words. So hope it is clear. So again one more time, Purataha is for front and Prashtataha is for back, and Dakshinataha for right, and Vamataha is for left, Upari is for upside, and Adha is for down, and Antaha is for inside. Okay, only these are the 7 sentences we are learning as part of this chapter. Okay, so what now actually we'll go through some very short exercise before we get into the chapter. I suggest you come up with 3 to 4 sentences, or maybe 2 to 3 sentences using any of these words given here. Okay, you can say like Grihasya Purataha. Maybe you can even take your own house. You can say what is there in front of your house or back side of your house and left and right. Or you can also take anything of that sort and give maybe 2-3 sentences around that using these words, and give the corresponding meanings as well. Yeah, I think that's about today's session. There are no more questions here. So we'll end the session, and we will come prepared for the tomorrow's session. Yeah. Thank you all. Dhanyavada. Let us meet tomorrow.